A lot of people have been talking about AI lately, and I just wanted to have fun with this. Right? Do I think that AI is going to take over photography? I don't think so, but it is amazing what it can do. I think it's fascinating technology. I use it for writing my emails to my audience, and to give me ideas of like how to create PDFs of like some brochures that I was trying to come up with. So I think it is useful, and I think that if you don't like at least try it or dive into it a little bit, you may be left behind. So today I want to show you a comparison of my images against AI. Let me know which ones you like better, and I'm going to show you how I did it in Open Chat GPT. And come on, let's go do that now. So here we are at chatgpt.com. That's how you go create what you'd like out of thin air, whatever is in your mind. All right. And I'm using Sora, and I don't have a paid subscription. I use the free version of everything. All right. So we go to Sora, and here you go to images, or you can go right here to this prompt and just type in what you want. So for example, I'm going to put in give me a realistic picture of the Milky Way over the Atlantic Ocean. I know I messed up a couple of things here. Pecan. My typing is terrible. All right, so then you hit on the arrow, and it takes a little bit of time. It queues up. So I'm going to speed this up and show you the image. It queues up. It's not that long. It takes a few seconds, like 20 seconds, and it looks fantastic. It looks nice. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I like it. What do you think of this one? So now we're going to compare my images with what ChatGPT or Sora comes up with. So for the first image, this is what I typed in: the moon rising above the Orient Point Lighthouse located in Orient, New York. Give the moon a little bit of a reddish orange look. Have some birds flying around as well. Let them appear on the moon. Have the ocean have some waves around the lighthouse. And I wanted to see if it would actually, I was being specific about location and the certain type of lighthouse. And this is what it came up with. Now, it is correct. Though it looks a little bit, I love the silhouette. It looks kind of cool. It is a little bit cartoony, like a cartoon kind of look. I should have put there like be more realistic. And that is the shape of the lighthouse in Orient. It looks pretty. The island that it has, you're gonna see in just a minute. So here's my image. So that is the Super Hunter moon. That was, I believe it was last October, and I took that shot. And so that's mine. I mean, what do you think of this one? Compare the two. Which one do you like better? Okay, this one I typed in, I would like an image of a sunflower and other sunflowers behind it with a blurry background. Make the main subject stand out. I want the sky to be blue with amazing cumulus clouds. And this is what it came up with. Very pretty shot. Exactly what I wanted. And it looks nice, not bad. So here is mine. This is called Portrait of a Sunflower. And this was shot, I believe at 5.6. I wanted that blurry kind of background. And there's my image. So what do you think of this one? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear it. Next up, this last one, I wrote, I would like a beautiful sunset with amazing clouds. The subject is a tractor in a field, and it came up with this. So here's the image. It's kind of funny that it chose this type of tractor. This is a Case International. Love the sky. Nice composition. You got a little bit of it's backlit a little bit, It's kind of cool, the shadows. So here's mine. Now, actually, my composition could be a little bit better. I mean, it could have been a little bit better. I do have a little bit of a sunburst here, but it was a cool moment to witness. The sky was changing. I had an idea that it was going to happen. So This is my shot. What do you think of that one? So is it the end? I don't know. I don't think so. I think people still want a connection with an artist, and that is more valuable than just something randomly typed onto a keyboard and just produced. So do think people want more of a connection when it comes to art. So let me know what you think of the comparisons. Let me know which one you think is better. Drop it in the comments. And, I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI. Drop it in the comments. And until the next one, peace.